This time, however, is gonna be all about shorts because summer is right around the corner. It honestly feels like summer already. But yeah, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so I'm starting off with these super cool pants that I found in my mom's closet again. They actually remind me of something that Rue from Euphoria would wear. If you didn't see Euphoria, go watch it. Not now, but after you watch this video because it's literally the best show ever. So yeah, anyway, I like the length, so I'm gonna leave it like that, but as you can see, it's way too big around my waist, so I just figured out how much I needed to take in the waist, and then I just pinned it there, and I pinned it on both sides, of course. Then I just carefully took it off, and I made a line between the pin and like the side of the pants. I did that again on both of the sides, and then I zigzag stitched it, and then I forgot to film it, but I also cut off the excess. But yeah, and then I was done. This one is literally so easy. It was more of like a altering than a thrift flip. However, we're gonna do this step with every single one of the thrift flips that I'm gonna show you. So yeah, this is just for the start. Then the next thrift flip, I'm gonna be transforming these capri length pants. These just didn't make sense. Like the length was just weird. They had like this weird buckle in front, then this random button. Yeah, I don't know. So I just decided to remove this button that was there. Then I turned it inside out and I cut off like these two strings that were inside it for some reason. And yeah, then I basically did the same thing that I did with the first pairs. I just realized how much fabric I needed to take in from the sides. I pinned it, and then I took my ruler and sewing chalk and I connected the pin with the sides by making a line between them, and then I just straight stitched it again. Then I just tried it on to see if it fit me correctly, and it did. So I moved on to this like weird floppy thingy in the front. I don't know how to call it, okay? So I'm gonna call it like thingy, okay? I'm sorry. So yeah, I just pinned it to where I thought that I needed to cut it. Then I also figured out how long I wanted the shorts to be, so I just pinned it there. And yeah, then I just took them off and laid it on the floor. And I cut the excess from like the floppy thing in front. I also cut the excess from the sides that we took in earlier. And then I folded the pants in the half, and I just cut the pants just by leaving like few inches under the pin that we made earlier and cutting it there, just so I would be sure that I didn't cut it too much, which I cut it too little. So yeah, I ended up going back and I just cut it way more. Then I also needed to hem it, so I did that just by like rolling it up 2 times. And I didn't show this on camera, but I also ironed it, which made it so much easier to like pin and sew. So yeah, definitely do that. It would look like this, and it was just so much easier to sew than if I would just leave it like that. So yeah, I just straight stitched it. Then I needed to hem the front thingy, so I just seam ripped like a few centimeters down the top, and then I cut one of the layers off, and then I just folded it up 2 times again, and I just straight stitched it. And then to attach the front thingy to the shorts, I just used some Velcro. You can honestly use anything you want. I know I used to use like a safety pin with a skirt that was also sewn like this. So yeah, I just used some Velcro because I had some, but you can definitely use anything you have. So yeah, I just sewed it on there, and then I was done. So this is how it looked before. And this is how it looked after. Okay, and the last pairs of shorts, I'm gonna be transforming these. These are actually from Massimo Dutti, or I don't know how to pronounce this, but yeah, they're like a really good brand. And I also like the pattern on it, so yeah, they were just too big around my waist. So I did the same thing as with the first ones. I just figured out how much fabric I needed to take in from the sides. Then I took it off and I made a line between the pin and the side of the shorts. Then I just straight stitched it. I cut off the excess. I also rolled them up a bit just so it would look better. And yeah, then it was done. So this is how they look before. And this is how they look now. So that's the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. Definitely like and subscribe because as I told you already, there's gonna be a lot more sewing videos because I'm at home. I don't really have anything to do. I mean, I do, I have my school, but I'm procrastinating all the time, so this is what I do all day. And yeah, there's gonna be a lot more videos like this, so if you're interested, you know what to do. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!